In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on Calendly. Calendly is a powerful scheduling tool that simplifies the process of booking meetings and appointments. Whether you use it for work, personal scheduling, or client management, keeping your contact information up to date is essential for smooth communication. Today, we're focusing on how to update your phone number within your Calendly profile, ensuring that anyone who needs to reach you has the correct details. If you're new to Calendly, you can use the link in the description to create your account and follow along. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Calendly website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Login button. It's prominently displayed, so it should be easy to find. Click on that to begin accessing your account. Now, for the quickest login process, select the Continue with Google option. This is especially useful if your Calendly account is already linked to your Google account, as it saves you time and effort. After you select this option, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your device. Choose the account connected to your Calendly profile. This step ensures that you're logging into the correct account where your scheduling and event details are stored. Once you've selected the account, click Continue to complete the login process. This securely connects your Google account to Calendly, giving you direct access to your tools and preferences. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard. From here, navigate to the Event Types section. This is where all your scheduled events are organized. Think of it as your control center for managing and customizing your appointments. Now, find the specific event you want to update and select it. This will take you to the Settings and Details page for that particular event. On the Event Settings page, locate the Event Details section. This is where important information about the event is stored, including your contact information. Scroll through this section until you find the field labeled Phone Number. Next to your current phone number, you'll see an option to edit. Go ahead and click on that. Once the Edit option is selected, you'll be able to click into the text box where your current phone number is displayed. Delete the old number and type in your new one. It's crucial to ensure the new phone number is entered accurately. Double-check each digit to make sure there are no typos. Accurate contact information is key for effective scheduling and communication. After verifying the new phone number, look for the Update button and click it to save your changes. This step ensures that the updated phone number is applied to the event and that anyone interacting with this event has the correct contact information to reach you. And that's it. You've successfully updated your phone number on Calendly. Now your updated contact information will be reflected in the selected event type, helping to maintain clear and seamless communication with your clients, colleagues, or friends. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.